What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Degen Alpha. My name is Taco. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful Friday. It is the Friday after Christmas. I hope you had a great Christmas as well. We're going to be checking out crypto markets, some of the top stories, and possibly some meme coins. So let's get right into it. All right, we're over here on CoinMarketCap. Let's refresh the page, get the most current numbers. All right, we are looking at a $94,595 Bitcoin. It is down slightly today over the last 24 hours. Ethereum is sitting at $3,334, up about 0.6% over the last 24 hours. Not bad. XRP sitting at 216. BNB is actually up over the week and today. And over the last hour, up to $692. Solana is still holding strong at $180, sitting at $185.55, down 1.73% over the last 7 days. Not bad. Doge is up over the week, sitting at 31 cents. Let's see. Actually, Tether. Tether's been in the news today. A lot of FUD coming out because the EU is going to ban the use of Tether. I guess people aren't too worried just yet. It is 99 cents. It does that sometimes. Stable coins like USDC and Tether and even like DAI and all the other ones, they fluctuate 99 cents, a dollar, one. So I guess everyone isn't really freaking out just yet. So we'll get into it. Let's look at the top gainers today. Virtuals is still on a tear, up to a 3.5 billion market cap, up 22% today, 38% on the week. Let's look at the Virtuals protocol. I actually got an airdrop from a AI agent called Jeff, who is, I believe it's launched on Virtuals. We'll go into that too. But yeah, over the last day, up 22%. Over the last month, up 284%. And yeah, 7,000% over the last year. So it is really exploding over the last, since October. October, it was 12 cents. Cobra Flex, Merry Christmas, my friend. Glad you're joining us today. Yeah, Virtuals is on a tear. And this is like the AI agent platform where you can launch AI agents. All right, let's keep it going. Before we go on any further, give us a follow over on @Degen Alpha Show. We are live on X and YouTube. This is your guide to confident blockchain navigation and the wildest degenerate crypto picks. Hosted by me, crypto_taco01, the one and only. So give me a follow. Earlier today at 2 p.m., I was hosting the Tomorrow in the Fall Roundtable. I'm the Web3 gaming host Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 2 p.m. So I've been playing Shatterline. It is a professional AAA quality game. You can download it on the Epic Game Store. Let's actually go to it right now. Shatterline FPS. Here's their X page at Shatterline FPS. Mountain Magnet. What up, Taco? Hope you're having a great holiday. You too. Oculus L. Hey, that Jupe airdrop checker is now working. All right, we're going to have to check that out. I don't think I'm going to get any airdrop on this computer, but on my main computer, I'll definitely be able to check out my allocation. Hopefully, I'm hoping I get at least over 100 from some of the votes that I did on the Jupiter platform. For those that do have no idea what we're talking about, Jupiter, one of the top dexes on Solana, at a 1.1 billion market cap, but this thing got up to $1.80, I believe. Let's see, get it right on the top. $1.78. Got up to $1.78, but it's holding a floor at around 70 cents pretty nicely over this last year. It came out in March of this year, so less than a year old. Had a great start, and kind of people have been DCAing in. Probably people that got the airdrop have sold, but we have staked our Jupiter on the Jupe platform. So we had that. We have Jupiter staked. We have we voted, and we have volume on Jupiter. So between those three, I believe that we will qualify for at least a decent airdrop. I would be happy with over 100 Jupiter tokens, because I believe at the top of the bull market, this can get to at least 5 billion, maybe even 10 billion. So you're looking at like maybe like a 5 to 8 to 10x. Yeah, Jupiter has been one of my favorite platforms to trade on. They have swaps, obviously, but you can also limit. You can DCA, and I haven't even I don't even know what VA is. So I'm gonna have to look into this. And then I'll get back to you and let you know what VA is. But dollar cost average, you can dollar cost average into a token. Obviously, you can limit in, you can limit out of tokens, which is nice. If you are not at your computer every single day staring at these charts like me, because I'm a Degen, you can set a limit order so you can pick up, like, let's say you want to set a limit order on Solana if it gets back down to 182 bucks. You can set that right here. Let's set it to 182. It will trigger if the price of Solana gets down to 182 bucks. You can also set when it expires. Let's say you are looking for a meme coin to get to your target price. You can set it for an hour, 10 minutes, a day, 3 days, or custom or never expires. So you can also trade perps, leverage. And it looks like you can also earn. What is this? JLP pool. The JLP pool is a liquidity pool where it acts as a counterparty to traders. When traders seek to open leverage positions, they borrow tokens from the pool. It's paying you 76%. So you can see the TVL in this pool is 1.6 billion. So if you want to leverage trade, you can do so on Jupiter as well. And I believe Ape is a way to ape into meme coins and tokens that are like newly launched. So you can, it's essentially like a photon if you want to use photon. But yeah, so we're on the platform. It looks literally the same as photon. I'll go over to photon so you guys can see the difference or the similarities. So here is photon. If we go to the main page though, you see we have a filter up. So let's reset the filter. And you can see this token was created 4 seconds ago. It has the audit results and it also has the action that if you want to buy it right away, you can. If you want to sell it. So yeah, looks exactly like Ape Terminal over here on Jupiter. All right, let's keep it moving. So yeah, I think you guys should check out Shatterline. It's really fun, and they do have I believe a play to earn campaign for like $40,000. Might be somewhere here on one of their top posts. Let's see. Here we go. Remember, our 40K prize leaderboard is ongoing. This was posted 7 days ago, and here are some codes that you can potentially use right now. This was posted 7 days ago, so I actually would expect that all these codes have been taken. But play to earn, $40,000 prize pool up for grabs. All right. Oh, and on our X page, our pinned tweet is our Telegram. So join our Telegram. We are up to 188 members. We obviously have the general chat. I just posted that we were live. We also have the degeneracy tab or channel. Nicole was asking how to buy dog. She wanted to see if you could buy it on the BonkBot. So BonkBot is primarily, as last time I checked, is only Solana. So me and a few other people in the channel were helping her out. You can also buy it on CoinW, or you can use the Xverse wallet. You can use the Xverse wallet, head over to Magic Eden. Just go to the main page, and here we go. Let's see. I believe it's runes. And it's the very first rune right here. Dog, go to the moon. So if you want to buy this, obviously click on it. You can connect your Xverse wallet, or you can even use your Magic Eden wallet. I actually did some stuff on my Magic Eden wallet because I heard a little birdie say that if you stake your Magic Eden airdrop, or if you buy it off of like just on chain and then you download the Magic Eden wallet and then you stake your Magic Eden tokens, you will be eligible for airdrops and unique rewards for the stakers. But also all of these wallets work because Magic Eden works with a bunch of different chains. But I would imagine Xverse. Let's click on Bitcoin first. There it is right there. So Magic Eden obviously works. Phantom also works for Bitcoin. Fireblocks, Xverse, Leather, OKX wallet, and OYL wallet. Haven't heard of that wallet, but it also works with Bitcoin. So you're going to need native Bitcoin. You're going to need native Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network in one of these wallets. Then you would connect it to this page and put however much you want to buy. I want to buy 5 Bitcoin worth or $472,000 worth. Obviously, I would not do that, but you definitely have the opportunity to if you want to. And you can even put in orders. Or maybe you can see the orders, you cannot put in orders. I wonder if you can. Buy, yeah, you can. You can limit in if you want. So if you're looking at the chart for dog, let's go over to Trading View. I actually have not looked at the dog chart on Trading View before. Let's see if we can find dog go to the moon. Let's see. Go. Yeah, there it is. It's on MEXC. So you can also, if you have a MEXC account, you can most likely just swap your USDT into dog. Let's see. Yeah, let's go with this one because it seems to be the only chart that has it. All right. So it launched. It looks like it launched back in June of this year. Went down about 73%. Kind of had a pretty good bounce, over 100% gain there. And it's forming higher lows. So I would hope that it kind of, I mean, this is very, very wonky, this line I just drew. But, I mean, you can kind of use it as a, I guess as a starter position. So let's say it drops another 4%, maybe want to pick up some before it goes on a run. It did get to $1 billion market cap. It peaked very, very quickly on looks like the days before Christmas. So if it gets back up to all-time high, that would be a 57% gain. Not bad. I know a lot of people at Discover Crypto are bullish on dog. The only reason that I'm not bullish on dog is the issue with buying it with ease. I mean, it would be super easy if like Coinbase added it as a coin that you can buy on their exchange. But let's go back to CoinMarketCap dog. So CoinMarketCap has changed it to dog instead of dog go to the moon to make it looks a little better. It looks better. So if we scroll down, we can see all of the exchanges that it's on, centralized exchanges. All right, so you don't have any main exchanges yet, so that's a positive. So like if Binance lists it or Coinbase or even Kraken or KuCoin, none of those have dog yet. So that could be a little bit of a you're front running. You're front running an exchange listing, and most of the time when exchange list tokens, they don't want it to just dump right away, especially like a meme coin like Dog, which is, I believe, the most decentralized meme coin out right now. It didn't have a team of insiders or like a venture capitalist that launched it. Hey, what's up, Donato Cabrera? Glad you're joining us. Glad to see you. So that's the main reason I don't like Dog. If it was on another network, it would just be like any other meme coin. But it being on Bitcoin, it is unique on Bitcoin. It seems to be the top rune on Bitcoin, top rune meme coin on Bitcoin. So yeah, if you have any of these exchanges, you can buy it there. But on a DEX, it looks like you're going to none of these is going to work. None of this is going to work. See, it's all grayed out. So don't use a DEX. I would say use Magic Eden, which is essentially like an NFT platform, but they have incorporated runes, which is nice. The runes market, though, is not really doing too well. Let's see the market cap. The top market cap is... Why is it in Bitcoin? Let's go to all time. Made of Bitcoin. This looks pretty sketchy. Yeah, let's just get out of this. I don't really like runes. This dashboard is not really intuitive. I want to look at the top market cap in dollars, not in Bitcoin. Because what the hell is this? 2 trillion Bitcoin? What the hell does that mean? Yeah. Just another reason why I don't really like the runes ecosystem. I feel like it was kind of like a semi cash grab after the Bitcoin halving. They came out with like a new inscription standard, I want to call it. I mean, as you can tell, I haven't really gone head first into this market because I thought it was too complicated. It's too complicated for me as like a crypto degen to want to get into these type of coins. And it looks like I kind of made the right choice. If I were to get one, it would be Dog. It would be Dog go to the moon. But why isn't it showing up on here? I don't know. So we're going to move on. All right. So here's what I was talking about Magic Eden. I mean, I guess we're staying in the Magic Eden kind of ecosystem for now. Magic Eden stakers are about to feast. So if you used Magic Eden in the past, I would 100% see if you have an allocation so you can claim it. And if you want, you can stake. You don't have to. You could just claim your tokens and dump it right away if you want. But 100% of the unclaimed Magic Eden tokens are going back to the stakers. So that will be 1.28 Magic Eden per Magic Eden staked. So if you staked 1,000 Magic Eden, currently with the amount that is unclaimed, you'll receive 1,280. So again, it's like 1.28 to 1 Magic Eden that you will receive to Magic Eden that you have staked. That's more than double your initial airdrop. So I don't know why people aren't claiming their free airdrops. That's very, very confusing to me. It's free money. And it's free money with the ability to make even more free money. That's what I like about crypto. I was actually thinking about this the other day. Throughout the last 2 years, I've probably generated over like 10, maybe $15,000 just in airdrops. So and in some of my airdrops, they outweigh what I actually initially bought into the airdrop or into the token. So Say, for example, is that main token I'm talking about. I bought into Say when it was blowing up on X maybe like 7 months ago. I staked it in the wallet, in the Compass wallet, and then I liquid staked it on, I think, where did I liquid stake my Say? Stride? I think on Stride. Yeah, Stride Zone. I liquid stake, or no, this was for Celestia. So I'll have to double check, but regardless, I liquid staked my Say, and I got a 3,000 Say airdrop. So at the time that I got it, it was worth around $1,500 because it was 50 cents. So let's see what Say is worth right now. Probably around 50 cents. Hey, 41 cents. It just cannot get back up to $1. It did get up to $1. Yeah, back in January and March of last year or this year, got up to $1 and kind of slowly losing its value over time with a little bit of life coming back to Say, but it's on a pretty good discount, down from 72 cents. So let's go to Say. Yeah, look at this drawdown. That's over a 50% drawdown from 73 cents to 41 cents. So, I mean, if you believe in Say, here's another one of my amazing lines. Maybe it's a good opportunity to get it. It was Kryptonite. Look at that's why I have such an amazing community. Oculus L remembered it was Kryptonite, and I actually think I have Kryptonite right here. There we go. Yeah, so many blockchains, so many staking platforms and liquid staking platforms. That's why I have my. That's why I have so many tabs. It's great to have all these tabs up here so I remember where my crypto is. Sometimes I'll write them down. Sometimes I'll make like an Excel spreadsheet. But I think the easiest for me is to just either make bookmarks or tabs. And just that's how I remember all of my crypto. All right, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. That's the Tether FUD. Yeah, here we are right here. So I've been talking about RumbleKongs because I've been a RumbleKong holder for over 3 years, and they finally came out with their game on I think it was like 2 weeks ago at this point. So how much will RumbleKong holders earn? There are 420 million tokens that will be allocated to holders. So I appreciate Ksenia. I appreciate her breaking this little breakdown. All right, so Kong holders will receive either 280 million or 28,000 tokens per one NFT. Rookie holders. So probably like 2 years ago, we were airdropped rookie holders. I sold mine. At the time, it was like 0.06 Ethereum. So yeah, I got some money out of my rookie. But it looks like they will also receive tokens, and club holders will also receive tokens as well. So She broke it down by fully diluted valuation, and I've been trying to understand like where is the dollar amount here. So I'm gonna keep up with her. Oh, she actually has more here. Considering that many experts are predicting a Q1, Q2 in the bullish cycle for gaming products, 25 million fully diluted value is the worst case scenario. So that's this right here. Yeah, I'm thinking more about like 100, maybe 150 million fully diluted valuation. Comparing it to like Pudgy Penguins, they had like a 10 billion FTV, which is now down to I think like 2 or 3 billion. Let's check out Pengu. Yeah, 2.1 billion. So, yeah, I'm excited. I've been playing the game a lot. I probably clocked in over like 8 hours so far. I'm in the Chad League. And if you get into the Sigma League, which is the best league, I believe you get an additional amount of the fame tokens. And here's what the rookies look like. And we can go and I'll show you what the Rumble Kongs look like. This is also like blowing my mind too. Okay, so we're on runes. We have to go over to actual NFTs. So this is the part that's blowing my mind. Okay, so a whole bunch of 2021 projects are saying like, yeah, we're coming out with a token like Doodles. I think uh, let's actually just go back to the homepage. I think Azuki's coming out with the token. Mokaverk is coming out with a token. And of course, Pudgy Penguins just came out with their token. So, with that being said, I'm so confused as to why Rumble Kongs are not really going up in value. They've kind of been stair stepping between 0.19 and zero point 0.2 ETH for a few weeks now, which this is the part that blows my mind. So you have all these people like the Pudgy Penguins ecosystem who are like, ooh, an airdrop is coming. I want to buy the NFT so I get an allocation. I guess no one cares about the Rumble Kong League and their token. Oh well, oh well. At least my NFT is worth 0.19, even though I paid like I think 3 Ethereum for it back in 2021. But my NFT is definitely worth more than 0.19 because uh, along with these NFTs, it comes with like stats. So you have vision between 0 and 100. You have shooting. You also have finish and defense. So my Kong is above 200, which is like the cutoff point. The highest value is obviously 400, with each one going to a max of 100. So let's say like we do 50, 50, 50, 50. So this is essentially the floor if your Kong is above a 200 stat. So I'm a little happier now because let's get rid of the chart. The lowest one right now is 1.38 Ethereum, and then it jumps up to 2.99, 2.99, 3.5, 6.88, etc. And then it goes all the way up to 15 with a whole bunch unlisted. So out of every single Kong above 200 stats, there is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 listed with a floor of 1.38. So that makes me a little happier that my NFT with a better stat than just like a low base floor Kong is actually worth something. Now the question is, are people going to pay for these better Kongs? All right. So if you want to play the game, let's show you how. You don't need a Kong to play. You can actually play for free. So head over to Rumble Kongs at Rumble Kongs, and you can download it on the App Store or Android. All right, so here's the FUD that came across my computer this morning. Europeans, pay attention. This is Kyle Chasse. Your USDT will be illegal from the 30th of December. If you still hold USDT in Europe, it might be a good idea to change stables. So I'm just going to go out and say right away, this would have to be like super, what's the word? What is the word? It's like, what I'm trying to get at is if you have a VPN and you have USDT, you can be virtually in another place and you can use USDT where it is legal. So unless you are just like scared out of your mind, uh, and you hold USDT in Europe, then yeah, just swap it for USDC. Problem solved. No issues. Yeah, maybe the market cap of Tether will go down a little bit. They're at 139 billion market cap, and as far as I know, Tether is the only place that has made it illegal to use. You could see the main scare was this morning when it depegged 0.05% down to 0.997. We're literally essentially at $1 right now. But I'd say to be cautious, if you live in Europe, just swap out for USDC. It's a 1-to-1 conversion and no harm, no foul. If you don't like USDC, there's PYUSD. Whoops, if I could put it in. PYUSD, which is PayPal's. There's DAI stablecoin. And there's all these other derivatives of like USDC on Athenia, USDC on Mantra, X, Y, and Z. So I don't think it's really that big of a story. But this is the main page, I guess 1.4 million views that caught a lot of attention. USDT will crash on December 30th. In 3 days, Tether will be delisted from EU centralized exchanges. So send it over on chain and use it on chain. I'm pretty sure that they cannot, like, they barred you from using Tether on chain. Yeah, centralized exchanges, it will not be able to be used. So, like, let's say you have Tether on chain and you want to cash out, just swap it for USDC and then send the USDC to your exchange. I don't think it's a fair comparison to say that this is similar to FTX and Celsius, but I mean that what happened was, I mean, the market crashed 70+%, and yeah, like Terra Luna, you can also put in this category. The end of USDC equals the end of crypto. I don't. This is one place in the world where centralized exchanges in those areas cannot use Tether. Like, why are we saying this is the end of crypto? All right. For the last 2 weeks, a lot of FUD has appeared around USDT. They say the EU delisting will destroy the whole crypto market. Will we witness another crash similar to FTX or media FUD to shake out weak hands from the market? I think it is 99% this. Trying to shake out people from the crypto markets. Let's break down what is really happening. Breaking. Binance is already blocking European users from receiving USDT, a centralized exchange. They cannot do this on chain. Europe starts to delist USDT. RLUSD will be the standard for every stablecoin transaction. So this person, they didn't even they crapped out the person's name, which is kind of a shitty move. But they're thinking that the stablecoin on Ripple or XRP will be the main winner. I mean, yeah, sure. If people want to use XRP, it's so here's also my thing. All right, so people want a stable coin that is equal to $1. So you can trade in and out of it. So you can have a bag on the sidelines that you can deploy into crypto when you want to. Any stable coin fits that category. So RLUSD. Okay, if you have your RLUSD on a centralized exchange, then whatever. Swap to whatever coin you want. You can also swap that to, I don't know, USDC. And then send that to your on-chain wallet and then use that USDC on-chain. Now that you're on-chain, you can even swap that USDC to USDT. Doesn't matter. This is just like a FUD story. All right, let's continue on. Let's start with the Tether history. They have consistently had issues with issuance and legalization of their assets. I mean, Tether is like the most FUDded project in crypto, I would go out on a limb and say. They shared false audit promises, received a huge amount of fines, etc. Here are all the conflicts that they have had since 2017. They promised a full audit. Tether released a report prepared by a law firm, not an accounting firm, claiming that USDT is fully backed by US dollars. The U.S. Department of Justice had launched an investigation to find out if traders manipulated the cryptocurrency market using Tether and Bitfinex. The New York State Attorney General office has revealed that Tether transferred hundreds of millions of dollars to cover up the loss of $850 million in customer funds. Tether was forced to cease trading activities in New York and pay an additional $18.5 million fine. Tether has settled charges related to false claims that USDT is backed by US dollars with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission fined a law firm that claimed USDT was backed by US dollars for an accounting violation. Tether has not completed an independent audit. From the very beginning, Tether claimed that every coin is backed by a real dollar in a bank, but in 2019, the New York Attorney General stated that this was false. In addition, they assumed connection with Bitfinex shed a bad light on Tether. All right. I mean, this story just continues and continues. I still think that it's just FUD, and literally us Degens don't give a crap. All right, let's just move on. I will be amazed if Tether depegs for more than a day. Let's just say that. All right, OKX is launching AI meme coin Griffane and Zerebro, perpetual futures with up to 50x leverage. So I have talked about Griffane in the past. It is the AI agent on Solana, allowing you to launch your own AI agents. And Zerebro is, I believe, an art AI agent. Let's actually go to his page. Artificial Natural Intelligence Schizo Artist AI. So yeah, he makes these cool little art pieces. I'm not 100% sure much more of what he does other than that. Let's go to his website. All right. Looks very straightforward. Not a lot of bells and whistles. Cross-chain AI artist, chat, paper, portal, art generator. What's this? All right. So if you want to create your own, you have to pay in Zerebro. That's pretty cool. What is this? Conversation. I see you've responded with just a stimulus. How can I assist you today? A lot of this AI stuff is still over my head, but let's check out the price. This is the token of the guy whose daughter was had brain cancer. It's dead already. It's dead already. But the guy made money to help his daughter, so that's good. All right, Zerebro. We actually bought and sold Zerebro when it was around a 200 million market cap. All right, so we're at a 328 million market cap, 8.1 million in volume. That's good. Liquidity is good. Let's zoom out to the daily. Yeah, I think we made money on like one of these run-ups, and then we haven't looked back since. It has gone down 54%, currently down 48%. Could this get to 1 billion? I think after this type of story, whoops, let's go here and then hit back. With this type of story, with exchanges starting to look into these AI agents, it could give it a central exchange boost. Nero Bro is another one. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot. Let's see, Kiki. This one was launched by the Ape Ventures Foundation. I noticed it 4 days ago, so I missed out on this. But hindsight, right? Like if I were to go down here and look at this, it had crashed 92%. So yeah, who would have expected it to then go on a run to like 100 million market cap? But let's see. Phantom, here we go. So here's another AI agent, AI16Z, one of the top traded tokens on Christmas. Unicorn Fart Dust, Fart Coin. Haven't heard of Scout, and then I have heard of Alchemist. So let's take a look at AI16Z. I actually have not looked at the chart for this one yet. It's at $1 billion market cap. Is this the correct token? I don't think so. Let's go back. All right, this is confusing. All right, so this is at $1 billion market cap. They're all at $1 billion market cap. Liquidity at 1.5 million, 2.6 million, 6 million. 24-hour volume, 1.3 million, 19 million, and then 1.9 million. So I would assume it's this one, but then you look at the time the token has been alive for, 1 month, 27 days, 2 months and 2 days. So I mean, I guess this is pretty close. But the chart looks completely different. So now let's go over to CoinMarketCap and type in AI16Z. All right, so we have it now. Now we can get the contract address, and then let's see what comes up. All right, here's the actual token. And you do not see that 19.8 million in volume. So it must be one of these three. Oh, there's the 19.8 million. So here it is. All right. So what percent gain is this? 6,800% gain. What's catching me off guard, though, is the token is mintable. Mintable means that they can create new tokens. But it is an AI agent, and it seems to be a legitimate AI agent. I don't think it would get to $1 billion market cap if it wasn't legit. Let's go to the website. All right, that is not good. Let's go to X. AI16Z, and I don't think that's the correct one, so let's just hit enter and see if it comes up. Yeah, if they haven't made it difficult enough to choose the correct token, how the hell are you supposed to find the correct X page? All right, I guess it is this one. All right, perfect. We found it. All right, AI-led hedge fund, open source AGI movement, partnered with Degen Spartan AI and Mark Andreessen. Okay. So these are the only official contracts for AI16Z. So what's this one? A Degen AI, a different ticker. Let's go to a different a deck screener. All right, so this one looks to be, it was made around the same period of time. All right. Has nice run-ups, almost 1,000% gain. Drawdown 80%. This one was 3x, 3.5x, 50% drawdown. I mean, I would more so want to invest in this one than the AI16Z main token. But I mean, these AI tokens are in the narrative of artificial intelligence. Good for my fart folio. So you have to have the fart coins in your fart folio. That's funny. Yeah, let's check out Griffane now. All right. Griffane, 229 million market cap, 10 million, almost 11 million in volume. It got to as high as a 320 million market cap. Almost, hey, it touched almost a 400 million market cap. This thing went on an amazing run back in the beginning of December. It went on a run of over 14,000%. From high to its most recent low, 57% down. I believe I got into this around a 200 million market cap, so I'm very, very slightly up. I'm going to hold on to this one. I feel like it's going to be listed on major exchanges like Binance, maybe even Coinbase. So yeah, I'm holding on. I think this could get up to at least $1 billion. So that'd be like a nice little, right under a 5x. All right. And this, I wanted to show this because this is more so the way I trade meme coins. This wallet not in the P&L of a 760,000 profit over the last 30 days, but the type of way that this trader trades is how I trade meme coins. All he does is buy tokens and instantly within the same like hour or like minutes even, he sells for small profits. Oculus L, yeah, Griffane is definitely going places. I would agree. Check out Agent Tank Coin on CoinGecko. All right, I'll do that in a second. And I still have to check out Nero, bro. But here you can see some of this trader's trades in for 4 minutes, out 2 minutes later, 26 minutes, same minute, he's out, 14 minutes, a minute later. So yeah, he just is in and out of these trades very, very quick because meme coins that are lower market cap tend to move a lot faster percentage wise than like, let's say like an Ethereum or a Bitcoin. They can go up 20, 30, 50, 100% in less than half an hour, some of them. So the way this gentleman trades is he waits for most likely it to have a fall or a bottom. He'll buy the bottom and then wait for it to go. I mean, this is common sense, but this guy is actually doing it legitimately. And I mean, yeah, in the last 30 days, he's up massively, just in and out of meme coins, different coins, and making profit, just small profit here and there. He's not trying to get the big winner. He's not trying to buy that 1 million market cap coin that goes to a billion. Hey, Alexandra G. Glad you're joining us. Glad you are here. Hope you had a wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas. All that fun stuff. Hope you had a good time with your family. All right, so let's check out Nero, bro. Nero, bro. All right. So Nero, bro, by Virtuals. All right. That's a good. It's good that it was launched by Virtuals. Market cap 15.6 million, liquidity 1.3 million. 24-hour volume is decent, 1.2 million, and it was created 19 days ago. Oh my gosh. All right. So this thing decided to wake up 5 days ago, 6 days ago, and go up 500%. So it's still relatively small, 15.6 million. I, looking at this chart, would most likely wait for a pullback. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, this thing is chilling out at all-time highs, just about 15% off of its all-time high. I would definitely maybe wait for people to take more profits. I don't know if I would expect it. I mean, meme coins, anything's possible. But here's one of my wonky lines on the charts. So let's say that is the base. That is the base. It turns resistance into support. So if it falls maybe another 45, 50% down to like an 8 million market cap, I would maybe scoop some up. Or, I mean, this thing there's no rhyme or reason with these type of tokens. It could as easily just continue up if it catches on to crypto Twitter or the cabals of crypto, who I believe more than likely got behind that Mira token from the gentleman's daughter who had brain cancer. They see a niche, something that could be a trend, like charity token. It's for a good cause. People will want to donate, but they're on the back end pushing the price up, so you buy at all-time highs and then they dump on you. So, I mean, no token is safe. But we can look at two issues. What are these? Let's look at them. Tax modifiable. That's not good. So that means that when you buy or sell, you actually have to pay a tax on those tokens. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. Could be as high as 5%. So if you buy $100, you're really only getting $95 worth. Ownership is not renounced. This is not good. Whether the contract creator has renounced ownership of this token has no special privileges to control it. So that means that the liquidity is not burned. So they can just sell their liquidity pool tokens. Not good. Not good. So as far as this one goes, a few things of concern over here. All right. And what was that other one? Agent Tank Coin. Agent Tank Coin. I mean, I'll see if it's on CoinGecko and then I'll go to, or I'll see if it's on CoinMarketCap and then I'll go to CoinGecko. All right. Not on here. So let's, whoops. CoinGecko. We're on Brave Search. All right, there we go. Still in Spanish. Oh, well. Hey, there we go. Well, actually, it's just in black and white, but Agent Tank Coin. Is it called Agent Tank Coin Gecko? Not finding it. Not finding it. One more try. I'll try over here on Deck Screener. I keep on copying and pasting the wrong contract address. Agent Tank Coin. All right. There's a few here. Agent Tank, Agent Tank. Different contract addresses. Definitely not this one. 24-hour volume is $195. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's most likely this one. 11.2 million market cap. 764K of liquidity. And it is mostly locked. 88% is locked. This is on Solana. All right. So it's had a sell-off. 73% down right now. 9,300 holders. No issues with the audit. Okay. So that's all looking good. Let's go to their X page. What does their X look like? All right. Followed by a few people I follow. Mason follows them. For better or for worse. Building the first computer use AI infrastructure in crypto. Tank terminal preview. One-click social agent sign up. Today we'll review how exciting social agents can be launched with desktop computer use with one click. All right, so is it trying to compete with like a Griffane? Like allowing you to create your own AI agents? Again, I haven't like gone into the deep end of creating my own AI agent and like seeing what it can do. But this kind of seems like that's what it is. Let's see. All right, are these people live right now? It says live. No sound. I'm not getting any sound. All right. Well, I haven't really seen anything like this before. This is kind of interesting. How do I get out of this page? Yeah, so I'm not really sure what's going on here. It's unique. I'll give it that. It'd be cool if I could listen to what they're saying, though, if they are even talking. This guy looks like he's in OBS. So weird. So weird. Are we going to have AI agents that are crypto influencers in the future? This guy looks like he's setting up his scenes to be like an influencer. All right, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. All right, I've been bullish on Bonk, and this just makes me more bullish. Almost 2% of the entire Bonk supply was just burned, over $52 million in value. So less supply to go around, supply demand. It should make the price go up. Let's look at the chart. All right, so I've charted this a few times in the past. Obviously, you have the support line right here. You have some resistance lines up here. So I drew it from the first all-time high, the second all-time high, and speculating on the third all-time high. I might need to move this out a little bit more now Maybe around there we'll get an all-time high. Actually, maybe let's do like so like this is tapping into my predictions for next year. I feel like until Trump is president, maybe there'll be a little bit of uncertainty with the markets. And as soon as he is president and makes some executive orders, then we might start to see crypto kind of go up again. But I feel like until the end of January, we might be sideways. But anyway, we're on the 4-hour chart. I purchased some bonk, this white line right here the other day. So currently I'm up 6%, but obviously I'm holding this for a new all-time high. And if we get up to this resistance line, that would be a 148% gain. I believe the market cap would get up to like 10K. Let's see. That would be more so like a 5 to 8 billion market cap. So yeah, I think that's in the cards. I definitely think that could happen. I mean, that's not really an insane percent gain, but Bonk is, I believe, he's in the top 5 top meme coins on Solana. What is up, David P? Glad you're joining us. So I will be buying more Bonk if we get down to the support line, which has been since its inception. I'd say all the way back to February of this year. I obviously do not want us to fall another 41%, but this seems to be the line that has served as a bouncing point for the bottom of a bonk move. So yeah, let's just wait and see. I did draw a line from this local top to this local top, and it's now it's about maybe 10-15% away from it. 10, 11, 12% away from that line. So that might be a resistance. So I could definitely see something like this happening. So we get up to that line, we get rejected. Maybe we even touch this line again. Maybe we even peek down past it, and then it does something like this. I could see something like that happening. And that would kind of line up with this random circle I drew from the peaks from the tops of the blow off tops of Bonk. All right, what else do I got for you guys? The top coins traded on Phantom. I think I already showed you that. I do want to look out Scout real quick because I have not heard of it, but Phantom users are definitely trading it. Scout, okay, it's at a low market cap, 5.4 million. Locked liquidity, 99.8% locked. That's good. And I mean, hey, it looks like a double bottom here a little bit. Might be an opportunity to get in. I might even throw some Solana at this one. This looks like it wants to head back up. Looks like it found another bottom. This wick, it filled the wick, and now we're sitting like relatively maybe like 2 or 3% above it. 9% since this is such a small market cap. What is Scout? Scoutly AI. So obviously it's in the AI ecosystem. AI sports betting analyst. All right, this might actually be something. If you want to have an analyst to check out your sports bets, I mean, what better opportunity do you have to ask an AI agent that can probably scour the markets way better than you can? They're already giving a breakdown of college football. That's pretty awesome. So this might actually be really big in the future. Gambling is already massive. And it has already come over to crypto. I mean, we have Polymarket, which settles in crypto on the Polygon network. This is obviously a Solana meme coin or a Solana token. I don't want to call it a meme coin because it looks like they're giving analysis on sports and helping you make a better, I guess, decision for your bets. So yeah, I think I'm actually going to put some Solana into this one. Yeah, I'm definitely going to share this on the Telegram. Degeneracy, sports, betting, AI. Might throw some soul at it. Yeah, this one looks like it's at a bottom. I mean, risk reward. Risk reward is there right in this very moment. I mean, either we go back and it rugs, or I feel like we have a good opportunity to make some money, some crypto, some Solana, and then ALK. Let's look at ALK real quick. Alchemist AI. All right, let's make sure we find the correct one. 2.3 million in liquidity, almost 8 million volume. This one is definitely the correct one. All right, so what does Alchemist AI do? Summon new worlds with spoken words. Excuse me. All right, definitely. Now I know exactly what it is. I'm just kidding. I have no idea. Let's see this video. Oh, great. Now it's like playing. All right, pause that. All right, here's their website. I don't even know where to start. I don't know if I want to mess around with this right now. Circle to edit is live. Effortless, hassle-free editing is now at your fingertips. Circle to edit is coming. Redefining application customization. No coding, no guesswork. Users can simply draw a circle sector over any part of their app's interface to highlight and customize elements instantly. What am I creating though? I don't know what it is. It's some type of AI agent worth $60 million. From its low, it went up over 246%, currently down 36%. So hey, maybe another one to speculate on. Maybe try and figure out what the hell it even does before investing in it. This one is a lot easier to wrap your head around. Okay, it's going to analyze sports. I understand that. Summon new worlds with spoken words. Not exactly lighting the light bulb above my head like, oh, wow, this is exactly what I needed. I don't know, maybe it is and I'm just missing it, but yeah, I'd have to do a lot more research, and most of the time research is not super exciting. You're reading a lot and you're cross analyzing what other people are saying about this specific token. I mean, good engagement, 215,000 on their pinned tweet. 15,000 there, 17,000 there, 32,000 there, 37,000. So they have the eyes on them. You can trade it on Bybit. And they even have a campaign. You can grab your share of 1.5 million of these tokens. So, and it's the top traded asset on Christmas on Phantom. So that's the fifth highest traded asset. So here's some more FUD that came out today, but I want to highlight before I even go into this, starting in 2027. So unless you have the outlook of 3 years in the future, I guess not. You don't even have to worry about this right now, but let's just go over it really quick. The Treasury and the IRS has finalized their DeFi broker tax reporting rule. Trading front ends would have to track and report on user activity. So this is essentially like Aerodrome. This is a front end dashboard for DeFi. Both US persons and non-US persons. So that's insane. So anybody in the world using your front end platform, they have to get the information on. It's going to be insanely difficult unless there's a complete overhaul of every single DeFi application over the next 3 years, where in order to just get on the website, you have to submit your freaking license, your passport, your proof of income. I mean, that's going to be an absolute nightmare. And it applies to the sale of every single digital asset, including NFTs and even stable coins. Which, I mean, how the I'll never understand this. All right, so if I am swapping out, let's say USDC into USDT, $1,000 USDC, I get $1,000 USDC. Why do I have to pay taxes on that? I will never understand anything like that. All costs, no benefit from a revenue perspective. First, a lawsuit will be filed claiming that the rule is beyond the authority of Treasury. I mean, here we go. This is what we want to see. This is like out of the reach of like the current, I guess, administration or the people behind the Treasury and the IRS. Like they're in the past. They're like out. They're using outdated equipment, outdated stuff, and this is new age, new world, DeFi. How will they even know what to do? Maybe if they have until 2027, they have a few years to figure it out. All right. So anyway, a law will be filed claiming that the rule is beyond the authority of Treasury and violates the Administrative Procedure Act. Later, the rule will likely come under congressional review, where it can be disapproved of, like this year's vote of SAB 121. The outgoing administration is not leaving quietly. Yeah, I mean, this came out during the holidays between Christmas and the New Year. But of course, us Degens, we don't miss anything. This rule has been ready to go for a while now, but they dumped it in the last Friday of 2024 in the middle of the holiday stretch on purpose, as if we wouldn't notice or make an absolute ruckus over it. So it's a few years out, and I feel like there's a bunch of issues with this actually being a viable option for every single DeFi platform interface dashboard. So, I mean, just a little FUD campaign running at the end of the year. I don't think we have anything too much to worry about, at least for a few years. And I think that's it. Other than this, so if you did get the Sui Play, the handheld Sui, it's almost like a Steam Deck or like a what the hell is the other name of it? A Nintendo Switch. Now you're getting airdropped Lofi if you bought one of these. So that's pretty cool. Lofi is one of the top, if not the top, meme coin on Sui. I'm a little hesitant behind. So here's my thing with Lofi. I'm a little hesitant because I feel like a lot of KOLs got into it very early on. They got paid in the token. They're incentivized to push it, and they most likely are going to dump. Doesn't mean that it can't pull a Brett, where Brett was in that same situation. Someone created Brett, sent a whole bunch of tokens to KOLs to shill it. Meanwhile, the dev had a whole bunch of tokens that he was also dumping. But Brett stood the test of time, and it kind of got out of that FUD and formed new all-time highs. But what about Lofi? Can Lofi pull a Brett? Let's see. So, yeah, it was essentially nothing but up from its inception. And then most of the people learn about Lofi up here. They buy into it, and they could be down around 50%, 40%. It looks like it could be holding this level, this wick here and this wick here. So yeah, I would be worried if it falls any further than this like 120 million base that it's formed. This is the top meme coin on Sui. So it does have that first mover advantage. But again, the history over the last few months, how long has this been out for? Less than a month. So throughout this whole period, it was probably like the campaign. You cannot sell. You have to shill Lofi. And maybe they gave the okay to sell, and now it's down about 50%. So, yeah. Maybe speculate on this token if you believe it could get up to like a billion market cap. I believe Sui has a chance to go to a 10 billion. For sure. Actually, it already did. I believe Sui can actually get to maybe like a 40, 50 billion market cap. So that'd be like a 3, 4, 5x from here. But yeah, over the last, let's see, year. Yeah, ever since September, it was at 76 cents. Now we're up to $4.11. and it's holding strong. And again, Lofi is the top meme coin on Sui, so could have that first mover advantage. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it for today. Happy Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And we will be back on Monday at around 4:15, 4:30. And yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Smash that like button on your way out. I would really appreciate it. Get that YouTube algorithm to maybe start showing me to more crypto people. And yeah, we'll see you guys on Monday. Be blessed. Taco out.